Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I am Shantanu and I welcome you all to the 16th part of our business awareness series, and today we are going to discuss the important CEOs and headquarters of various important international and national companies. So friends, this is the most updated list which I have prepared for you. So I want you guys to please test yourself on this list और आप मुझे बताइए कि कितने CEOs के नाम आपको सही से पता थे. So friends, I'll tell you how we are going to go about this video. So first of all, a name of the company will appear on your screen. Then I want you guys to please pause the video and try to think or recall the name of the CEO and its headquarter, the headquarter of the company, and then resume the video. Alright friends, so with that, let's jump into the video. So the first company is the Reliance Industries Limited. So the CEO is Mr. Mukesh Ambani. That's a no-brainer. And this headquarter is in Mumbai. Alright, so we'll move to the next company. So you can pause and try the name of the CEO and the headquarter. I'll let you know. So the CEO of TCS is Rajesh Gopinathan and the headquarter is in Mumbai again. Coming to the third company, so now we have HDFC Bank. Friends, this is very important because recently इनके CEO change हुए हैं. So correct answer here is Shashidhar Jagdishan, and the headquarter of HDFC Bank is also in Mumbai. Alright, next company, that is Hindustan Unilever. So the CEO is Mr. Sanjeev Mehta. You can see him in the photo, and the headquarter again Hindustan Unilever is also based in Mumbai. Next is Infosys. So the CEO is Mr. Salil Parekh, and the headquarter is in Bengaluru. So friends, most of the IT firms which we will come across are in Bangalore only, and most of the like banks and other firms, they are mostly in Mumbai. Coming to the next one, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So this is the CEO is Mr. Uday Kotak, and the headquarter is in Mumbai. Coming to the next one, so now ICICI Bank. So this is also very important friends, कई बार पूछा गया है. So here the correct answer is Mr. Sandeep Bakshi. Please don't mark Chanda Kochar. She has been replaced by Sandeep Bakshi. And the headquarter of ICICI Bank is in Mumbai. Next, Bharti Airtel, another important company. So here the CEO is Mr. Gopal Vittal, and its headquarter is in New Delhi. Coming to the next one is Bajaj Finance, and the chairman is Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj, and the headquarter, so Bajaj Finance is headquartered in Mumbai. It's in Pune. Coming to HCL Tech. So HCL Tech CEO is Mr. C. Vijay Kumar, and the headquarter is in Noida, UP. Next is Asian Paints, another very important firm. So the CEO is Mr. Amit Single, and its headquarter is also in Mumbai. Coming to ITC, so this is very important. Chairman is Mr. Sanjeev Puri, and headquarter is in Kolkata. Next is Maruti Suzuki. So the chairman is Mr. R.C. Bhargava, and headquarter is in New Delhi. Coming to State Bank of India, very important, largest public sector unit bank in India, and its chairman is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara. Friends, ये question जरूर आ सकता है, so please note it down. And the headquarter of SBI is in Mumbai. Coming to the next one, so we have Axis Bank now. So Axis Bank CEO is Mr. Amitabh Chaudhary. This is also an important question, guys. And the headquarter of Axis Bank is in Mumbai. Coming to next one, that is JSW Steel. Its CEO is Mr. Sajjan Jindal, and the headquarter is again in Mumbai. Coming to Mahindra & Mahindra, another important automotive company. So the chairman is Mr. Anand Mahindra, and its headquarter is in Mumbai. Next, the pharmaceutical giant Biocon. So chairperson is Ms. Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, and its headquarter is in Bengaluru. Now coming to Tata Motors. So Tata Motors CEO is Mr. Günther Butzek, and its headquarter is also in Mumbai. Next is Vedanta, another a very important player in metal sector. So its CEO is Mr. Sunil Dukkal, and its headquarter, basically Vedanta is headquartered in London. Alright. Now friends, we will also see some of the important international companies and the CEOs and headquarters, because in exams like IIFT, this is also very important. It is asked frequently in the form of match the columns. So first that we'll see is Walmart, and the CEO of Walmart is Doug McMillon, and its headquarter is in Bentonville, Arkansas, USA. Right. नेक्स्ट अमेजॉन, दिस इज़ अ नो ब्रेनर, आप सबको पता होना चाहिए, जेफ बेजोस। एंड जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा है, जेफ बेजोस इज करेंटली द रिचेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड. Okay, and the headquarter of Amazon is in Seattle, Washington, United States. Next is Apple. So the CEO of Apple is Mr. Tim Cook, and the headquarter is in Cupertino, California, USA. Next, and another very important company is Berkshire Hathaway. I have seen, friends, this question appear in IIFT like last year. So please do note it down. The correct answer here is chairman is Mr. Warren Buffett. So I will also recommend to read his book, The Warren Buffett Way. That's a very important business book which every MBA aspirant should read. And headquarter is in Omaha, Nebraska, USA. So friends, the second position word, this is the state and this is the city in United States. Coming to Microsoft, another very easy one but an important one. CEO is Mr. Satya Nadella and the headquarter is in Redmond, Washington, US. So इन्होंने जो बुक लिखी है उसका नाम है Hit Refresh. Okay, so I'll request you कि आप इसको भी अगर पढ़ पाए तो इसको भी ज़रूर पढ़िएगा. Coming to Facebook, so another easy one, CEO is Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. हम सभी Instagram यूज़ करते हैं, ये तो हमें पता ही होना चाहिए. Headquarter is in Menlo Park, California, United States. Coming to Alphabet, Alphabet is the parent company of Google. So that's a very important question. But the answer is very easy. आपको पता ही होगा, CEO इस सुंदर पिचाई, उनको इसी साल प्रमोट किया गया है from Google to Alphabet. Now he is the group chairman, group CEO. And headquarter of Alphabet is in Mountain View, California, USA. Now coming to Tesla and SpaceX. मैंने दोनों का नाम साथ में इसीलिए लिखा है because both the CEO of both the companies is Mr. Elon Musk. And the headquarter of Tesla is in Palo Alto, California, USA, whereas the headquarter of SpaceX is in Hawthorne, California. Right, so moving to next, Pfizer. So friends, Pfizer is in news very frequently because of the COVID-19 vaccine that it has prepared. So the CEO is Mr. Alberto Bourla and headquarter is in New York, United States of America. So that's an important one, please note it down. Now coming to Ford. So Ford is another important automotive company and its CEO is Mr. Jim Farley and headquarter is in Dearborn, Michigan, USA. Coming to next, Samsung. So the CEO of Samsung is Kim Ki Nam and headquarter is in Seoul, South Korea. All right, friends. Now friends, it's the time for a very small assignment. I request you कि आप लोग सभी जो भी वीडियो देख रहे हैं, please name one CEO and headquarter of at least one Indian company and at least one foreign company जो कि हमने इस लेक्चर में डिस्कस नहीं किया है, और वो नाम आप बताइएगा मुझको कमेंट सेक्शन में. सो इससे सभी लोग की बहुत हेल्प होगी बिकॉज हमने इंपॉर्टेंट कंपनीज के नाम डिस्कस किए अराउंड 33 to 34 कंपनीज के. आप लोग जब और ज़्यादा नाम जब बताएंगे तो हमारे पास एक बहुत अच्छा कलेक्शन तैयार हो जाएगा क्विक रिविजन के लिए. With that, friends, we come to an end to our session. I thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If the video helped you, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on verbal ability, general knowledge, current affairs, etc. And friends, if you have any doubt for your preparations, please contact me on these social media platforms. And I request you that please go ahead and check out novation.in. वहाँ पर आप लेक्चर के रिसोर्सेज डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और कई सारे क्विजेज दे सकते हैं, और साथ ही साथ अगर आपको नोवेशन का कंटेंट अच्छा लगता है तो नोवेशन को डोनेट करके सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. With that, friends, I'll end the video. Thank you so much and please take care.